Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw a Bitcoin BTC from Binance to Trust Wallet on PC. Now once you're logged into your Binance account, just come to the top, hit right, click on your profile icon, click here on assets, and you'll see all your cryptocurrencies listed. And what you do, you come here, you just go ahead and hit withdraw, okay, and you select your coin. In this case, just choose BTC. Okay, you enter the address right here. So the address and network. So what you need to do is just go to your Trust Wallet. You'll see your address. You can just copy it, and you'll see the network as well that you can go ahead and use. So in this case, I'll just go ahead and use BSC. Okay, it's the cheapest fee for us. And then you just enter the address, you paste it in, then you enter the withdrawal amount and confirm the withdrawal, okay, with your authenticator app. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.